back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright y'all, so in this video I'm actually going to check out my cabin air filter. It's something that I've neglected. I've had the truck for almost 7 months, used the AC almost every day, and so it's just one thing I just wanted to check out and see how dirty it is. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so first step, you need to remove your glove box. Alright, so essentially you just pretty much pinch the sides, and I already did the work right here. Pinch these in, 1 and 2, pinch this in. Alright, and there's also going to be a small rope, small line that slowly allows the glove box to pretty much fall gently. Alright, and here it is right here. Probably won't be able to see it. Anyways, just a little line. You'll know how to remove it. You just slip it down and it pops right out. Alright, so one thing you got to remember when you're trying to put it back together. Alright y'all, so next is this small gate. So there are 2 tabs. They're on each side. Alright, there's one on the far left, one on the far right. Pretty much you just push them in, which allows you to go ahead and remove the cover. Alright, and here's this white piece. This is actually your cabin air filter. Just pull that out. Alright, so as you can see, the top is pretty dirty. Here's the bottom. This is towards the airflow. Airflow actually goes down. Alright, so I wonder if y'all can see there's a bunch of small dirt all in between here. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'll probably just end up cleaning it. But essentially, don't forget about one of these. Alright y'all, so very short video, just something to keep in mind as you go about your business driving your truck every day, whether you daily drive it, whether you drive it occasionally and use the AC, depending on which climate you're in. Say you're more dusty, say if you're in the desert, you're going to get a lot more dust, a lot more sand that's getting caught up in the filter instead of just dirt, usual, overtime dust, dirt that gets into your filter. It's the same as your air filter. Really is just pretty much using that one line of defense so that you're not always smelling and getting sand kicked up in your face sometimes. And that's why there's a cabin air filter. Yeah, so just one thing for you not to forget, go ahead and check out yours in your truck. It may be time for you to actually replace it. I know some are actually scented. I think like Fram sells the Febreze cabin air filter. I'll go ahead and post the link below. But yeah, there's some scented ones. Anyways, it's not really something you're gonna be able to smell every time you throw on the AC, maybe for like the first 3, 4, 5 times. But other than that, any filter will do. That's specific to your vehicle. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know below. Also, if you're not subscribed to my page, please consider subscribing. Alright, until next time, ciao.